let's go. Let's go. I already told you that you had to leave.
Please.
Get out.
I understand.
Out. Get out. I already asked you nicely. I already offered you a ride.
Watch your mouth.
Get out.
What? Yay. Don't.
That's fine. Get.
What's up, tribe? Today we're covering what happens when a body positivity girl does not get her food. Now, in case you guys were not here for that episode, a body positivity girl is a type of leftover woman that the feminist movement creates. The way how it works is because, as a direct result of the feminist movement, women would go around pointing fingers at men to the extent where she has completely deprived herself of the necessary amount of mental growth and responsibility and maturity to physically take care of herself. Because she strongly believes that hey, she knows better than doctors, because she dissected a frog back in high school, which I suppose means something in medicine. And very often this will lead to a severe loss in morbid obesity. So, let's get into it.
Don't touch me.
Get out. I'm sorry.
Don't touch
Get
me.
out.
Don't touch me.
I already dealt with you once. I already asked you nicely. I offered you a ride.
It's not that.
Get out.
It's not that. Look at everybody that they sat there
That's
and
fine.
offered.
Get out.
It's
All right, let's
fine.
talk outside.
Stop touching
Get out.
me.
Push me again and you're going to be
Stop
under arrest. Get
touching
out.
me. Stop
Get out.
touching me.
Let's
Call
go.
somebody. Call somebody.
That's fine.
Because they know
Get
my
out.
name. Call them.
Go ahead.
Call them.
Out.
Don't touch me.
Get
I'm
out
telling
of
you
the
right
building.
now. I'm
And I'm telling you right now to get
And
out.
I'm telling you to call
Get
somebody.
out.
Call somebody.
You want to be under arrest?
Hey, go ahead.
All right, let's go. Turn
Go
around.
ahead. Go ahead.
Turn around.
Go ahead.
I'm not doing it. Stop. Stop. You want to go? You better fucking stop. Then turn around and stop. Stop.
Now, in case if any feminists who are watching this are actually wondering why a lot of us women are refusing to date morbid, obese women, here's a kind of dry example for you of the reason why. Yeah, it's because we are, in fact, judging women by the context of their character if they're morbidly obese, because morbid obesity is, in fact, a choice. It is. Like, take this woman, for example. This feminist, for example. Let's be honest, she's like early 20s. She's at the age where, like, her metabolism is still at its height. It really is. Her metabolism is still at its height. She doesn't even need to exercise to lose that body weight. She really doesn't. She could literally lose that body weight by doing what a lot of other countries are doing and skip lunch for a few days. She really can. At this point of her age, there is no excuse at all for why she should be obese. There really is not. That is how we judge. That is literally kind of dry evidence on how we're judging these women by context of the character when we say we don't want to date morbidly obese women, especially not at this age. It really is not.
Stop! No! I have my arms right
We're
here!
not doing this. Stop.
I have my arms
not
right
doing
here! I have my arms right here!
Get down.
Yep,
Turn
go
around.
ahead. Go ahead.
Roll over.
Go ahead.
Turn around.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Acting like a child. All I did was ask you to leave. That's all you had to do.
And I said the same exact thing that you wanted me to say. So go ahead. You're going to be very upset.
That's
We
all.
have a lot of fun in the morning.
That's all. 33. I'm gonna have one in custody for trespassing and obstructing.
It wasn't even. No. Go ahead. Go ahead. Ask them when they ask.
Stop acting like a child.
Ask them when they ask you to trespass. Ask them. You're gonna be.
I told you not to come back in
No,
here.
I did not come back in here.
I told you not to come back in here.
I never left.
You did leave because we
I
walked you
never
out.
left.
We literally walked you out.
You're dumb. You're dumb.
Okay, well, you're going to jail.
Okay, go ahead.
I know.
No.
We're going. We're not calling you.
I literally offered you a ride.
And this is another reason why a lot of men are refusing to date morbidly obese women, especially at this age. Like you and I, when all the way back when I was in high school, I noticed that the women who are morbidly obese, they are more prone to anger. They really are. And one of the reasons why that is for exact reason why they're morbidly obese. Because they don't have any responsibility at all. They can't handle responsibility. They really just can't. If they're forced to take on responsibility, they react just like this. They really do. They get very powerfully triggered. Another reason why we don't date women who are morbidly obese is that very often, even I noticed all the way back when I was high school, middle school, I noticed that the women who are morbidly obese, they act like they have some kind of power thing going on. Yeah, when really you ladies don't. You really don't.
You said you wanted to be acting like a child.
Too late for that. Stop. Too late for that. Stop rolling around. Yeah, you never left. That's called trespassing.
Okay, but they never even told me I had to leave.
I told you multiple times.
Ask her.
Alright, we're gonna sit up now.
Ask
We're gonna
her.
sit up off the ground.
Ask her. Ask her.
Hold on.
Yes. Yes.
Do you have a wrinkle? You got her?
I hope you're happy because you're getting a lot.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. I'll get over this.
Yeah.
This is your stuff, right?
Yeah, that's all hers.
Alright.
Yeah, that's all hers.
Alright. Come on.
No, that's not mine.
This isn't yours?
No,
Then I'm gonna go throw it in the garbage.
I just have a green bag with my stuff in it.
This isn't yours. Okay, then it's going in the trash if it's not yours.
Stop!
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 I'm telling you to stop. Walk to the car. Walk to the car.
Let's go. Let's go.
Walk to the car.
Wait, I'm
Too
doing
late.
it!
Now, before anyone goes up saying, hey Matthew, isn't morbid obese women a result of food deserts? Okay. I'm going to go on a limb here and say, yeah, I might give some credit to food deserts are technically a thing in some towns. However, let's be honest here, everybody. We all know who are the dominant. We all know who holds the monopoly on food production here in the West. We all know who are the majority of people who are picking those vegetables, who make up the majority of people carving up those animals to put them in grocery stores. We also know that men hold a monopoly on truck drivers too. We all know that. If your town is in a food desert situation, well, the best way to resolve that is have the women treat the men better. Yeah, because a low male population is the leading factor of your town going into a food desert situation, which ultimately is the first step of your town becoming a ghost town. Now, the reason why I say that is because, let's face it, men hold the monopoly on infrastructure work, like, say, building construction, road development, sewer management. When it comes to the entertainment industry, men also hold the monopoly on that as well, because whether it be movie theaters, sports, video games, you name it, even modeling, men are the majority of the investors in those industries too. We are. So if your town has a low male population, very often it's going to end up turning into a ghost town over time if you don't increase its male population. The first sign of your town becoming a ghost town is the stage of when it starts to become a food desert. Because, hey, the men who provide the town with food, they're opting out. So if your town is in a food desert situation, have the women treat the men better. Because you need to get men back into your town to provide your town with food. Yeah, that's what it is.
Sounds like it's too late for that.
I'm telling you where I have
I'm telling you to stop.
Stop!
Stop!
My fine.
I'll go find it.
But
Hold on a second. Hold on.
no, you're f***ing off. You're f***ing off.
Okay, lady.
You're
Relax.
f***ing up. Look in the bag. I don't have nothing. Look. That's not nothing but food. That's nothing but food.
No, stop.
Yeah, I know it's violent. That's nothing but food.
Hey, calm down. Calm down. It's all good.
Yeah, I know it's violent. I know, but look. It's nothing but food.
Stop.
I know I'm not.
I got it.
I'll let you guys do whatever you want.
Okay.
She can check me.
She's
Please.
just gonna check. It's all
I
good.
know.
It's okay.
She can do whatever she wants.
Miss, take a breath. Take a breath.
That's it. Tell her to go after this, please.
Take a breath. Take a breath.
And this behavior is another reason why men are choosing here in the West don't want to date women who are morbidly obese. Because after all, in case you guys are wondering where this behavior is coming from, well, let's be honest here. If you're talking to a full-grown adult woman who cannot take care of her own body, okay, how do you think she's going to behave in the long run? Like how? Yeah.
Yeah, I want her gone.
Okay.
I want her gone. My pants are going down below.
Okay, I'll pull him up.
Pull him up for
Hey,
you.
yeah, it's just realize it's just up. There's nothing.
Hey.
There's nothing.
Hey, okay.
There's nothing.
Sorry.
Tell him I'm sorry.
I hear you. I hear you.
I
But
know.
right now,
but
we
you
gotta sit in the
f***ed
car,
up.
okay?
You f***ed up.
Come on, get
you
in the
know
car.
you f***ed up.
Well,
She knows she f***ed up. Hey,
in the car.
I
Get in the
know.
car.
Call him.
Okay, get in the car and we'll call.
Get in the car.
I
You
can't.
can.
Knowing
You can.
that.
You gotta get in the car.
Ow.
The only way out of this is getting in the car. Get in the car.
That's the
How
only
many
thing I
times did I have to
have.
say this tonight?
I'm gonna push her in if not.
Get in the car.
And she already knows that she's gonna.
Okay,
You heard her.
listen to me. Listen to
Here,
me.
let me turn the camera.
I don't want nothing to do with.
Listen.
I don't.
Hey, listen, I'm gonna put your
I
seatbelt on, okay?
No.
What I want you to do is lean back
That's
and look
not
away from me.
fair. I don't want nothing to do with her. That's. Please. There's a 50-50
Yep, and I'm pretty sure a majority of Western men don't want anything to do with you either, madam. Pretty certain about that. Not because I have anything against you at all, like I don't. I'm just saying what I said before. This is a contrary example that what a lot of women here in the West, especially women who are the body positivity women, what you're asking from us men is just impossible for us to give you. In this case, it's you want us men to respect that it's your body and your choice. Oh, but at the exact same time, you don't want us men to give you the financial responsibilities of what you choose to do with your body on your own free will. You want men to take that on, even if the man has zero to no legal obligations to you at all whatsoever. Yeah, make that make sense. Like, if you can make that make sense in the comments, by all means, please do. Like, I, for one, cannot find any real logical way to make that make sense. Like, I really cannot.